Here are 5 common mistakes that new YouTubers make, along with tips to avoid them. 1. Not having a clear niche or target audience. Many new YouTubers make the mistake of trying to appeal to everyone. This can lead to a diluted brand and make it difficult to attract a loyal following. Tip: define your niche and target audience. What topics are you passionate about? Who are you trying to reach with your content? Once you know this, you can create content that resonates with your specific audience. 2. Neglecting the importance of video quality and editing. Poor video quality and editing can turn viewers away. Make sure you invest in good lighting, audio equipment, and editing software. Tip: take the time to learn the basics of video editing. There are many free tutorials available online. Experiment with different editing styles to find one that suits your personality and content. 3. Not promoting your videos. Simply uploading a video to YouTube is not enough. You need to actively promote your videos to reach a wider audience. Tip: utilize social media platforms, email newsletters, and other channels to promote your videos. Run ads if you have the budget. Engage with your viewers by responding to comments and questions. 4. Inconsistent posting schedule. Viewers expect to see new content from their favorite channels on a regular basis. If you post inconsistently, you're likely to lose viewers. Tip: set a consistent posting schedule and stick to it. This will help you build a loyal following and keep your viewers coming back for more. 5. Giving up too easily. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Tip: be patient and persistent. Keep creating high-quality content and promoting your videos. Eventually, you will start to see growth. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can increase your chances of success as a YouTuber. Remember, it's all about creating engaging content that your audience will love. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe.